Hello friends, welcome to GreyPot. Today we're gonna make a very interesting recipe. Chocolate chip cookie cup. Normally we used to dip cookies in milk and have it. But here we're gonna make this cookie cup and pour milk into it and enjoy. All the ingredient list is given in the description box. Please check it out. Before we move on, click the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to GreyPot and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever I post a new video. To start with, take a mug and apply some butter in it. You have to grease this really well. Now take a large bowl, add in room temperature butter, add white sugar, brown sugar and mix it really well. Once it is well combined, add in 1 egg and mix it. Now add in all-purpose flour and you have to add this in batches. And at this point of time you may have to switch from whisk to spatula for good mixing. Mix all together and bring this into a single dough. Now add in chocolate chips and mix it. Now our cookie dough is ready. Let's take the mug and take small portions of this dough. Now first make a base inside the mug and slowly take small portions of the dough and stick it to the sides. Don't make it so thin or when you bake and when you take it out, it may break. So make a medium thickness. Once you press it down like this, to give it a more good shape, you can take a glass like this and insert it into the mug. Level the bottom as well. Now trim the sides. Now it's ready for baking. Now bake this cookie cup in a 180-degree preheated oven for 20 minutes and keep an eye in between. If you find the dough has changed its shape, insert the glass once again and bake it. Now you can see I'm applying some melted chocolate inside the cookie cup. This is to make the cookie cup more firm. As the chocolate hardens, it gives more strength to the cookie cup. And when you take it out from the mug, it will not break. Now refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Now you can trim the edges of the cookie cup to give it a more neat look. Now slowly take it out from the mug. Wow, look at that! Our chocolate chip cookie cup is ready. Now if you find any place where there is no chocolate, then you have to reapply it inside the cookie cup and refrigerate it again. Or else when you pour milk into the cookie cup, the milk will get absorbed through those holes and the cup will become soggy and it will break very easily. And you will not be able to enjoy that like drinking it and eating the cup. So just be careful about it. Now our cookie cup and milk is ready. Now you just have to pour this milk into the cookie cup and enjoy. Normally when we make cookies, we'll dip those cookies into the milk and eat it. Here you can drink it and eat the cup. So definitely try this recipe at home and leave me a comment if you like it. We can also serve ice creams, fruit salad and different type of mousses in this cup. But be careful not to serve anything hot in it. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Google+. Click the logo to subscribe to GreyPot and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notifications. Also check out other interesting videos from our channel. Thanks for watching GreyPot.